Experiencing issues with the press and hold gesture on your AirPods Pro 3, not switching between active noise cancellation, transparency mode, or adaptive audio? You're not alone. About 15 to 20% of users have reported this. First, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 have the latest firmware, especially iOS 18.3 or later, which includes touch sensor recalibration. Clean your earbuds with a microfiber cloth to remove any debris from the touch sensors. A simple reset via Bluetooth settings can also help. If these steps don't work and your AirPods are under warranty, consider a free replacement from Apple. The press and hold gesture relies on capacitive touch sensors. For it to work, hold both earbuds for about 2 seconds until you feel haptic feedback. Common causes for failure include software bugs, sensor contamination, and ill-fitting ear tips. To prevent issues, avoid water exposure. AirPods Pro 3 are IPX4 rated, use official Apple ear tips, and keep your AirPods clean. If problems persist, it may be related to iOS integration, particularly in humid environments. As a trend, gesture-based controls are becoming more common, but also prone to issues. Future iOS updates may include AI-driven diagnostics to auto-detect and fix gesture problems. If all else fails, contact Apple support for further assistance.